Welcome to Healthy Foods YouTube channel. Here is 5 tasty and healthy smoothie recipes. Let's start 1. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, banana, almond milk, and a handful of spinach. Blend until smooth for a delicious and antioxidant-rich treat. 2. Green Goodness Smoothie. Ingredients: kale, pineapple, mango, banana, chia seeds, and coconut water. Blend for a nutrient-packed green smoothie that's both tasty and nutritious. 3. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Ingredients: mango, pineapple, coconut milk, Greek yogurt, and a splash of orange juice. Blend for a refreshing tropical smoothie that's rich in vitamins. 4. Peanut Butter Banana Bliss. Ingredients: banana, peanut butter, low-fat milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a drizzle of honey. Blend for a protein-packed smoothie with a creamy, indulgent flavor. 5. Choco-berry Delight. Ingredients: mixed berries, banana, chocolate protein powder, almond milk, and a tablespoon of almond butter. Blend for a deliciously chocolatey and antioxidant-rich smoothie. Benefits of these recipes: 1. Berry Blast Smoothie. Benefits: packed with antioxidants from mixed berries, provides vitamins and minerals, and the addition of spinach adds extra nutrients like iron and fiber. 2. Green Goodness Smoothie. Benefits: high in vitamins A and C from kale, rich in fiber from chia seeds, and hydrating with coconut water. Aids in digestion and boosts immunity. 3. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Benefits: loaded with vitamin C from mango and pineapple, provides electrolytes from coconut water, and supports gut health with Greek yogurt. 4. Peanut Butter Banana Bliss. Benefits: good source of protein from peanut butter and protein powder, potassium from bananas, and essential nutrients for muscle recovery. 5. Choco-berry Delight. Benefits: combines the antioxidant properties of berries with a protein boost from chocolate protein powder. The almond milk adds vitamin E and healthy fats. These smoothies offer a range of health benefits, including supporting immune function, aiding digestion, providing essential vitamins and minerals, and offering a delicious way to incorporate nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Remember to customize ingredient quantities based on your taste preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy your healthy smoothies.